Hey, what's up guys? This is another video. Doing another progress report. Yeah. And these past few days have been rough, bruh. So, quick update. One of my LinkedIn posts actually did pretty well. It got like 80k views. That's pretty good. And I got about like 80 likes, so that's some good visibility. I was not expecting that post to blow up, but bro, each time one of my posts blow up, I get so much connection requests the next day, and bro, I got like my DMs are flooded, bro. I got like 20 DMs like as soon as I wake up. I gotta answer all of them, and I gotta answer all the comments too. But yeah, so that's that. And dude, after seeing the potential with LinkedIn, I'm starting to doubt all these other social media platforms. So like, should I keep doing YouTube? Well, I mean, yeah, I should continue documenting my journey, but should I continue doing cold calling? Cause, bro, getting inbound leads might be your thing, right? You're already doing well with inbound. You already got the results. One, your post blew up. Now you got like people lined up from Germany, Dubai, asking about your voice agents, and I haven't seen that kind of results from outreach so far, even though I didn't barely any. But yeah, bruh, since I'm still in school, like, dude, I got like no time to do anything. Well, I do, but five hours a day ish if I'm lucky. Yeah, cause bruh, I still gotta do homework. I gotta take a bus home, which is like hella long, and then yeah, bruh, homework is no joke. Some of y'all think it's easy, but nah, bruh. For me, about like 1 to 2 hours per day, but I try to cut it down as much as possible. So yeah, my post blew up. I'm starting to consider just dialing in on LinkedIn, but then I have some people that are like suggesting just try everything, bro. But I feel like I wanna dial in on just one thing. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I might just try multiple things temporarily. I'm filming this on an after school day. It's a Thursday, and man, like I might even miss out on prom, bro. But hey, man, that's just a trade-off you gotta accept. I don't know, maybe I'll go to prom. Depends if I find a date. But yeah, alright, but anyways. So in other words, I feel really stuck right now. I have like 1,000 things on my calendar to do. I gotta fix my website. I gotta post another LinkedIn demo video, which I don't know, takes 30 minutes. I gotta work on a project for the Dubai, some guy in Dubai. I gotta study for a pre-calculus test and a Spanish test tomorrow. Dude, there's a lot on my plate. I'm not sure about my grades. I haven't checked them in like 2 months, but I feel like one class is like starting to fall. Maybe 2 classes. But yeah, I've been getting a couple F's on my pre-calculus tests. So yeah, that's that. Even though some people in my class are cheating, I don't like to cheat. Hey man, I'll become a millionaire someday. Like if you're my same age, still in high school, trying to make things work out, you would also understand like the hate. Bruh, I'm serious. The hate when you're this young is crazy. You go try to tell this to someone else, they're just gonna start hating on you, bruh. Like I be telling like some of my friends, hey look, I'm working on this business, and the next thing they say, how much money you got so far? None? Nah, you wild, bro. How long you been working on this? 6 months? No money? You wild, bruh. So it's just a lot of hate. You just gotta like run away from it. You really never want to position yourself anywhere near that kind of stuff, because even as stubborn as I am, some of these small things slip in sometimes. Always run away from negativity. Don't be anywhere near it. Don't try to fight it. Don't try to defend it. It ain't gonna work, bro. It's more easier to drag someone down than it is to lift someone up. So hanging around bad people, no bueno. No bueno. This is the advice that I gave to myself a few months ago. Don't take advice from someone that you wouldn't want to trade places with. If one of your friends who's like trying to convince you to like stop doing the business, it's not working, you're working yourself too hard, don't listen to them, bro. Why would I ever want to trade places with their losers? Hopefully this will all be worth it. Hopefully by the end of high school graduation, I don't know, maybe I'll be cruising in a Lambo, pulling up to school. I got a chick on my right. Life's gonna be good. Going to vacation in Vietnam, chilling in But hey, another notable thing, or especially being in my high school, bro, dude, the stress is wild. Cause while everyone else is grinding so hard on college, you're over here planning on not even going at all, skipping it out, and it's just stressful, man. Like, you shouldn't never hang around people who don't want the same goals as you. I can't help it, bro. I'm stuck in this high school. I can't go to some entrepreneur high school. That's just the struggles of a young entrepreneur. Eventually, it'll pay off. Hey, low-key, I don't even know if I'm cut out for outreach. I know I can improve. I feel like inbound is my thing. Like, I'm already having good results with LinkedIn rather than any of these outreach methods. I've cold DM, I've done cold calling, I've done cold emails, a lot of stuff, man. But hey, what if you have limited time like me? I got like 4 or 5 hours a day to work. If you have limited time, you gotta make sure each of those hours count. If you have a lot of time, yeah, you have time to experiment. If you don't got time, you gotta make sure you choose one thing, get really good at it. That's my advice for you. Hey man, if you're watching this and you're a young entrepreneur too, I wish you the best of luck. Don't give up, keep going. The second you give up is this, you die. Hope that makes sense. But what I'm trying to say is, literally everything will go away if you just give up. And that's totally not worth it. You wanna keep going, man. You're gonna get rich. It's guaranteed. When you give up, it's guaranteed that you will not get rich. Well, yeah, that's just my struggle so far. But hey, man, at least I got one guy I'm working with right now. He found me through one of my LinkedIn posts. Some guy in Dubai he wants me to make a voice AI for a construction company. So hope that goes well. I'm kind of stressing a little bit because I have no experience with building voice agents that speak. That is a really complex language, and I don't even know if AI can handle it. But I did some demo tests, and it turns out AI can handle it. I'm not sure how the quality will turn out, but we'll figure it out. But hey, man, look forward to having this first client. It's been a long time since I've worked with anyone. But yeah, I guess I mentioned earlier how I feel so stuck. Like, I got all these things going on in my life, like girls, this business I'm trying to work on. I gotta work on with this one client. I might have to do cold calling. I have to do social media. But it's just so much going on at once. I feel like I wish if I could just dial in on one thing and just like focus on that only. But I might have to do that low-key. Maybe just stick to LinkedIn. Just post a lot. Even though posting and building a personal brand, you might not get paid at first. I don't know, you might have to wait out a few months without getting paid. But it will pay off eventually. A lot. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I mean, I'm also worried about the hate I might get. As long as I don't tell anyone, everything will be okay. Make sure you don't tell anyone, man. When you're starting out any entrepreneur thing or any plans, don't tell anyone until it actually materializes. Like, don't come to people telling like your plans. Come to people showing you, mark my words. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you guys in the next progress report. Hopefully by then I'll get my first paycheck. But yeah, see you guys. Have a nice one. Peace.